Knowledge World. Stay tuned here always, and Knowledge World is going to give so many fruitful videos related to the Gmail series as we discussed, and we'll cover other things too. There are different folders we are managing already. So, we are covering here Gmail settings. So, we will cover one by one all the tabs here. So, here on the General tab, so we can select language here as per our country and location. Other than that, we have few things: use various text inputs tools to type in language, edit tools. So this is not suggest like I would not suggest it a lot because it's very specific, already decided in a way. It should be for you as per your location. And this is right to left editing support on. This is again writing related things. They are standard settings, we should not touch a lot. Still, like if you want, so you can play around with the things. The phone numbers default country code, it would take the Indian number here. Like if you are writing something, and also it would take the format of the Indian number way. Maximum emails per page, you can select here. You want to see 10 emails per page, 15, 20, 25, 50, or 100. I have only 2 3 emails, so it's okay to select anything. But few are there, they want to they have daily 500 or 100 or 50 emails or something, so they can set up the things accordingly. Now let's come to the default reply behavior. Generally, it is reply. When we click on the reply, so it goes to the one person who has sent the email. Reply all means like if other people are there in that email too, has been marked CC or something, so it would reply to all when we are replying in one go. Generally, people reply to the person who is the sender, but in some situations we need to do reply all. So you can set up accordingly, and then you can save. Hover actions, so quickly gain access to archive, delete, and all. This is again pre-decided thing, not to touch. Send an archive, show send an archive button in reply, hide send an archive button in reply. So if we want to archive the emails, and also we'll be having this kind of button, it would send the email and then archive immediately. Default text formatting, like use the remove formatting and all. So these are the options. It would be visible there in your like when you are composing any email or something like that. So if these are the options, in general it would be visible to you. Images, always display external images. Ask before displaying external images. It totally depends, like when someone is sending an email to you, you want to see those images or not, whichever has, like they are on the emails or something like that. Dynamic email, again no need to touch. Grammatical suggestion should be always on, as you are writing something, and also it supports and it gives the idea which is the correct way to write any sentence. Spelling correction should be on. If you're writing any mistake, any spelling by mistake in a wrong way, so it would give the correct thing. Autocorrect, it depends. Sometimes it gives like correct word to other way, and sometimes it really helps. So it totally depends on your thing. Smart compose, writing suggestions on. When you are writing a single line or something, it would give it would give next word suggestion automatically. So it is also dependable on your things. Okay. Smart compose, personalization. Smart compose is personalized to your writing style, so it is clear here. So you can on off, it would not affect a lot. Conversation view, conversation view is something when it is off, so all emails would be separate. When conversation on, so email thread would be shown to you. So that is something usable, I would say. Like it is really helpful for me, I use it. So if someone is sending 5 emails, you can see in one thread if it is on. If you will off, so it would be converted to different 5 emails. Nudges, no need to play around. Smart reply always should be on. And smart features, the and Google Workspace smart features, they are like something generally we do not play around and it's very normal. Package tracking, nothing to touch. Desktop notification, it can be on if any email is coming up, so here pop-up would come for this. Or mail notification, if someone is marking important, so it would be displayed. Stars, you can use like this is one star in use. You can use multiple star things here. You need to just take and put here, so accordingly when you are categorizing something, it would help. Keyword shortcuts, there are the shortcuts in the keyword, through that you can control the Gmail. So it's always suggesting suggestible, like it depends on you. If you know the shortcuts, you can put it on, otherwise off. Button labels, icon or text, whatever way you want, you can use it. Your Google profile picture is visible across Google services. If you are using any picture and all, so it would be visible like that. Create contacts for autocomplete. So when I send message to new person, add them to other contacts so that I can autocomplete to next time. So it helps. Okay, if you are telling I will add, so I think it would be headache, because like you are sending emails daily to so many people, you need to remember to add all every time. So put it like this, and then after doing everything like this, you need to do always save changes. The settings after this option will cover in next video, because I don't stretch videos too much long. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Kindly comment and subscribe the channel. I'll wait for your inputs. Thank you.